just about there now. All the garden furniture's out, all the tents up. It's just a last minute run round because the pigeons and whatnot have been out doing their thing. But there's no power out in the field, unfortunately, so the one advantage to these is you don't need power. With the new 12 litre large capacity Mud Daddy, you've still got plenty of squirt and a powerful brush, softening off any debris, and away you go. Excellent. On to the next. Yeah, it's perfect for exactly what we're using it for, this outdoor events thing. It's not just for dogs, it's for cleaning furniture and awnings, tables, anything which is outside where you need to wipe down, clean off, and you haven't, particularly if you haven't got power. There's some stuff which is quite dried on, so you just give it a rinse, bit of a scrub, and then come back later when it's softened off. Yep, thanks to the Mud Daddy, we're now party ready. Party time.
What do you think, Josh?